Show me your pizza. It's alright.
It's beautiful.
Alright, yeah. Good. Good. Looking good. 1, 2, 3.
Nice. Yeah, get this up close.
Can you like yeah?
Yeah, you're so cool.
Nice. Perfect. Oh yeah. Thanks for the licorice.
You're welcome. Want more?
It's been a while since I had the licorice.
Good thing I updated your taste bud.
I see you're not afraid of the cold. Oh. Oh shoot! I even have to step back a little. Okay. Are you guys ready? Yeah. All right. So pop crawl. Let's make it quick. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys. Yep. Sorry. She knows. One nice.
Like a school.
I'm trying to time it right.
You ready? You ready? School.
I'm sorry, usually there's a bit more people, but today I'm gonna have to harass you more.
Alright, it's okay, Joe.
Like last time we were like 30. In summer, sometimes we have like 80, 100 people.
Yeah, like usually we're like 60 to 80.
Yeah. I don't mind either way, actually. I like when there's a huge group, I like when there's a small group.
Yeah.
It's quite, it's just different. But... Show me your pizza. Okay, thank you guys. You love waiting in the line. We're staying in the cold.
She's moving up, down, all around.
Yeah, Tonight I got
A rich nigga, 8-figure, that's my type.
Now it's recording, I think.
Even better than my own eyes. I can see.
Yeah, that's true.
My
It's actually, yeah, same for me.
So he's not so proud that what he's doing.
It's, you know, DJI.
Tengo con qué pagar. Fui tan rico que el dinero me hizo desfallar.
Me sacaron suero de colores y me sacaron la radiografía. Vente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez suave. Bésame.